sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame. Yeah, yeah, I'm too sexy for the trap, too sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah, yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. My name is Bree. Nice to meet you. So today's video, I have a wig from Recool Hair, and I have a 5x5 lace front wig. It is 24 inches. It's 1B. I think, or it's a 1, I'm not mistaken. I can't remember. And then it's also 24 inches, and it is like a curly type of wig. So it comes curled already. So I'm like, okay, if it's a bang closure wig, it comes curled already. You know, surely it should still be easy for me to install, because y'all remember the last video I did. I was a little irritated. So I'm like, this one should be easy. So now I'm showing y'all what's coming in the bag. There's some clips. There's also going to be some stocking caps, a brochure, bobby pins, and things like that. And also a headband. So like when you installing your wig and you want it to lay down or lay your edges down, baby hair, or just the lace period, I love those things. Like when I get my hair done, I sleep with them, especially like when it's been like 2 weeks old. I'll put it on at night and put my bonnet on, and my wig still be intact. So I'm basically just showing y'all everything that comes in the bag, and then I'm going to show y'all the wig. I really thought this was going to be an easy install, but y'all will see later down the road or later in the video that my friend is actually going to pull up on me tomorrow and help me get it together, because I was trying, you know, I got my music playing or whatever. I got the Nicki Minaj playing in the background, so I'm feeling myself. But I'm just like, why can I not get a hang of installing my own wigs? Like, it's really math to me. It's very complicated to me. Like, is there anybody else out there who doesn't know how to do hair at all? And I'm always fly, my hair always done, but it's because I'm always getting it done. I don't know how to do hair at all. Like, it's so frustrating sometimes, because I'm like, I bought a bang wig and it's a closure wig. I don't need glue. I don't need spray. It's curled, so I don't have to curl it. All I have to do is put it on and take it off. Like, that's my go-to wig. Like, I love go-to wigs like that, but it didn't work out that way. So y'all will see in a minute.
Never did it.
Ain't changed, I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't 4P yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out switching sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta smoke. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some more. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rats too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some picture, bro. They look bro, hit this dick and start getting low. I spent time on the rats on the Lambo and didn't even know how to move them motherfuckers low. On my birthday, I just wanna look at those. Got it fit, but don't play with me, period. You just follow behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the price. I feel period. I fuck with slides and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, you ain't want the money, I'm feel like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run.
Keep the rules, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rats, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. They can hit after he call me very fun. For the Christmas, I bought everybody guns. Guns and choppers and infants for everyone. Take the roof out the call it up for the sun. I'm gonna see his pop by 5,000 months. Got this bitch off the collar, she suckin' and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't rock on my problems, we stacking up wallow and swallow and try get it mega buck. See them drip with little nigga, best watch your step. This top shelf, got 40 designer belts. OTF, look like the new BML. They gon' dump, got stones in my right or left. So you crack up the car, ain't no key in there. Just put us in they pocket, get out of there. They gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat the hoe like a tire, I keep a spell. On the stuff because I'm warring. Check the truck, I'm counting more fake. Sky Dwellers, new me in the prison. 150 flying, Richard Mello. Come on, but they
we were getting ready to go out, so that's why y'all kept seeing me take shots. I like to pregame before I go out. I feel like it's just more fun. You spend less money, and I always have a good time when I do that. So we definitely was taking shots at my house. This took her only like maybe 15 to 20 minutes to like recurl my hair and just situate my wig or frame it to my face, and I fell in love with it. Like when I first had it on the day before, I was like, yeah, no. Don't ask me to go nowhere. I'm not going out nowhere. Like, babe, we're in the house all weekend. I don't want to go nowhere. But then when she came and did her thing, I was like, oh my God, like this is turning out so cute. She cut some layers and everything. As y'all can see, we run our mouth, like we talk. We was gossiping about everything. So I had to mute that because y'all don't need to be knowing everything about my life. But yes, like she installed it. Well, not even installed it. She styled it for me because like I said, I can just take this wig off and put it back on the next day. So this is going to be my little new hairstyle for a couple of days until I get my locks back again because I'm a lock girl now. Like, yeah, I like wigs, but I'm a lock girl. So yeah, y'all.
Never did it. I do natural hair. I specialize in growing hair, treating hair, silk presses, extensions, sew-ins, you name it.
Yep, lashes too.
Lashes, of course.
Yes, so make sure y'all go follow her. I'm gonna put her IG in the description box.
Thank you.
Big, you is funny.
I got some rats and I want some more. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rats get too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some bitch bro. They look bro, this dick ass like getting low. I spent time on the racks on the Lambo and didn't even know how to move them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna look the dope. Got it fit, but don't play with me, period. You just follow behind the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the police, got the period. I fuck with shots and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, you ain't wanna money up fast like I'm typing something. I'm the type to get active and never run.
Hit the rulers, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rest, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. Making hit after hit, call me very fun. For the Christmas, I bought everybody. Guns and choppers and infants for everyone. Take the roof out the collar, the feel the sun. I'm gonna see it drop by 5,000 months. Got this bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't run from my problems, we stacking up wallow and collar and try get it mega book. See them triple little nigga, best watch your stuff. This top shop, got 40 designer belt.